We're going to be designing infographics, just infographic slide today. Insert, just make sure you have a blank layout. Have a blank layout. Draw it this way. Draw another one. Then draw to make that arc you're seeing, that small shape you're seeing. Draw another rectangle and draw a rounded rectangle. Make it all round. Put it together and go to format, shape format, match format, and select intersect. Then it will give you that. Then insert a triangle just like you have seen and adjust it to this shape. Adjust it to this shape that you are seeing on the screen. Insert your text box, type in your number, format it, then right click on the shape. Right click on the shape. After right clicking on the shape, go to shape format, then go to your fill, select the rectangle, or rather trapezium. Select your trapezium and format to the shape you are seeing, format to the format you are seeing. Then make your number and the other shape, let them be of the same color. Insert your point into the shape just as seen. Then you can also go in with your icon. Come with your icon. I select icon for this. Adjust it, make it a bit smaller. Then insert it into the shape. Insert it into the shape. Always remember, anytime you need to pick the whole of a figure and it seems as if it's not picking, please first of all select all the components one after the other and group them. As you can see, after grouping, just do a duplicate of 3, then add color just like you are seeing. Add color just like you are seeing. I have varieties of color and draw your rectangle. So you are setting a background now. Format your shape, send to the back, and you have it just as you are seeing it. Then on that slide, select all the shapes and go to arrange, align, center, and align middle. Once you are able to do that, pick it, take it. Once you're able to do that, then you can now duplicate the slide. On the first slide, go back to the first slide and type in whatever you need to type. For this section, we will be typing infographics. You understand? This is my own personal thing. Just select, format it, select shape of your choice. As you can see, format as much as you like, as you want it. The aim is that your first slide should have a message. Then select all and go in with your animation and do fly in animation. Then you can as well format the direction by selecting effect option and selecting left to right, as you can see here. Select morph transition from the second slide and this is the result. Thank you.